From the window to the wall, we getting lit up in it, big bouncing. We does it big up in it, big bouncing.
What's up? We got a new piece that we're going to be putting on the SS today, and we just added some more lights in the garage just here and here to kind of light up that wall, which I think it'll help a lot whenever we decide to sheetrock this and get it insulated and everything. But yeah, we got a billet grille we're going to get put on the SS. I've always been kind of iffy if I like the look of a billet grille or not, but I seen a guy had one on an SS and I thought it looked pretty good, so I went ahead and got one, and we're gonna slap it on there really quick and then I've got some clip pullers, but most of the time these ones are easy enough. It's just quicker to grab a flathead. Just use a flathead on them. Oh man. I'd say the washer fluid in this one was not winter formula. That's just a big old chunk of ice. That's good. Haven't really drove this one. I think we drove it once right before it got really cold, just to clean it. Set this back here. Now, this is a learning experience for me. So, if you're washing up iron, we're in the same boat. So those new, I don't know if I want to do that. For whatever reason, I always thought these just like clipped into the things. I'd hate to remove those. Those are brand new. That one I'm fine with. It's got red paint on it still. I'm gonna do these last and decide if I want to do it or not on them. I should probably paint probably paint that black really quick, just to kind of hide this factory honeycomb a bit.
Soundstripe.
if I remove those, that's gonna look terrible. I'm gonna have to look at the picture where I bought these from. But yeah, that's what that's kind of looking like. I'm gonna replace this one here really quick, and then take a look and see if I want to put those ones for the little vents. And if so, I'm gonna be angry because I could have bought, I think, a regular billet grill for this and not had to get the SS one. Let's see here. Let's pop this sucker out. I do like. But that's what we're gonna go with now. These lower grills. We'd actually have to pop these out, which I don't want to do. I bought these because I wanted to have that silver part here. I thought these just inserted in part inside of that, and I guess you actually pop that whole thing out and replace it with this. So yeah, if anybody knows of anybody that needs a factory lower SS grill and some billet fog light holes for an SS bumper, let me know. But yeah, that's all we're gonna do for now. All right, we don't have much else to like put on either of the trucks, so we're gonna try to get all of our detailing stuff and all our tools and everything put up, because I'm really bad about putting stuff up after using it. So I'm gonna get all that cleaned up, and then we've got a couple things on the house we're gonna try to get done. Then I'll probably go ahead and record. Like, we're about to get a privacy fence put up on the outside of the place. So we've got 3 trees right now that are fell, and we're gonna get all the limbs and crap raked up out of the neighbor's yard. And then I'm gonna show you my son's 4-wheeler. We've put one of our drill batteries on it, and he's loving it, how fast it goes now. So thank you. What do you got now? Oh, well, yep, get them all untangled. You untangle them? Yeah, untangle. Sounds good. Are you gonna show everybody how you use your four-wheeler? Can you go do your four-wheeler? Show them how fast it is. Yep, grab it. There you go. Yep, dirt. Yeah. Oh man. Let's see how far you got. Oh, couple more twists. I'll line it up for you. There you go. Start twisting. Yep. Look where you're at. What? Don't lose that screw. See it? It's right there by your seat. This is the setup we've got. We just bought one of these little adapters off of Amazon. And it just takes the batteries. I put a bigger battery in there because this other one was dead. Here's kind of how big of a mess our yard is right now. We've got 3 trees down, and then we're taking these 2 pine trees up here out too. But we're gonna have a gate down there right in front of the white truck, and then it's gonna wrap all the way around the house. And then we'll have a bigger gate up in the center over there before that ditch gets too steep. Go fast.